Where would you invest $717,000 today for the maximum return on investment? And what if your investment came with this breathtaking view? Welcome to Quinta Vista, la Bahía, in La Cruz, Guanacaste. This breathtaking 1.1-acre ocean view lot is perfectly located between mountains, ocean, and lush nature, delivering the maximum return on investment. With triple land use certification for commercial, residential, and ecotourism development, Quinta Vista La Bahía ensures the maximum return on investment. Build with purpose, invest with confidence. Quinta Vista La Bahía is your window to paradise. Contact lacruzrealestates.com today.